Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to help you to translate some of the more commonly seen terms you might see in motorcycle ads. I dropped it. Has intergalactic mileage. Will never ever pass a roadworthy. Is covered in shite I got off eBay. I'm actually a complete wimp and I try to blame that on my wife. Has been stuck in my garage since 2005. I've just lost my license. I've just lost my license. It's stolen. I have unrealistic expectations as to what this is worth. Old, and I have unrealistic expectations as to what this is worth. Hope this helps, folks. Good luck.